Kelvin just keeps getting better.
Yeah.
So someone commented yesterday, I know we just spoke about it, but we should have had it on video, because if I videotaped the conversation in this truck as we drive from job to job, oh my God, we would have like the best content. The best content of you.
Why?
So someone commented on a video yesterday that Kelvin's like, man, fuck my life. And then I'm just like, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. And the guy continues to comment that, you know, he'll pop his cherry soon, you know, eventually. I don't know when that time is going to occur, but eventually you will. And then he writes, you know, tell him to get a notebook. And I'm like, he has a notebook. Don't you, Kelvin?
I mean, not per se notebook, but...
You have a notebook, right? I remember you having a notebook. And where is this notebook now?
I can't find it.
You can't find it?
I think it's at home, yeah.
You think it's at home. So,
you
have it? You have to get a new one. Why do you have to get a new one?
I can't find it.
But you said you ran out of pages in the notebook.
Yeah, I ran out of pages.
You ran out of pages and you lost it. You can't find it. It's at home. You think it's at home. You have no idea where it is. So, Kelvin, if I was learning something, you know, and training to do something, and I have this notebook,
right,
and I make notes, right?
Right.
Don't you think it would be a good idea to have it during the day so you can refer back?
Yes, I know.
But when's the last time you've had this notebook?
Before I left.
Before you left?
Even
this is March.
Yeah, this was before.
So since March, you haven't looked at this notebook. You haven't used this notebook.
No, because I have class. So you can't say I haven't been studying. I have class.
We know you have class. And your professor said yesterday, because he actually played my YouTube video yesterday in class.
He's like, don't do what this guy does.
Don't do what Kelvin does.
Yeah. And learn from it. And I learned from it.
You gotta... Oh my God, Corona.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you better keep that away from me, man. You gotta open the windows.
We got the AC on. So, Kelvin, you need to get a notebook.
Yes.
And you have another 3-day weekend because you're off tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday.
I don't have a 3-day weekend.
Well, you're not working here tomorrow. Right?
Right.
You have drill. You have your 1 weekend a month.
Yeah.
Which is more than a weekend. It's like 3 days. It's kind of like misleading.
It's because it's sometimes it's 3 days, you know, and most of the time it's 2 days usually, but because of the coronavirus, we're just trying to get back on track.
The Chinese virus, you mean?
Coronavirus.
Corona,
yeah.
China, Chinese. Depends on who you ask. I call it the China virus.
No.
Because it came from China.
Oh, well.
That's where it came from. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. You know, in this truck as we drive from place to place, you know, Kelvin just makes me laugh. He does. And I'm not laughing with him, I'm laughing at him.
Why?
Because you say some of the dumbest shit, I swear.
Yeah, because sometimes I get excited, you know, I get pumped up.
He gets pumped up.
Yeah.
Kelvin, Monday morning, you need to have a notebook. If
will.
you don't have a notebook Monday morning, you're basically unprepared for work, and I'm going to send you home.
All right.
Psst. Listen, you need to learn, and you're not really learning.
No, you're right.
You've seen me like the torch yesterday, that brazing rig. You've seen me like that many times. Many times. Lots of times. Right?
Right, there's no excuse.
And there's no excuse for what you were doing yesterday with that.
No.
Just a complete failure and a waste of time.
I failed that, waste of time.
Guys, if you like content like this, you know, as we're driving from job to job in my nice Sprinter. I love my Mercedes, by the way. You know, give me your thoughts, feedback in the comment section down below. And, I don't know. Next time Kelvin says something dumb, I'll try to get it on video. Peace out.